There's no unwanted play, and the power transfer feels efficient. Thanks to that wide platform and rigid construction, you really do feel the benefit of the titanium spindle. When climbing or sprinting, the pedals feel light underfoot and responsive under pressure. The float is minimal, giving you that locked-in feel most road cyclists prefer, but not so stiff that it becomes uncomfortable over long distances. That's a good balance for endurance riders and weekend warriors alike. Final thoughts? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight, and high-performance road pedal that doesn't cut corners, the BUCKLOS PD-R8000 with titanium spindle is definitely worth considering. It's proof that you don't need to spend hundreds to get pro-level features. BUCKLOS PD-8000 pedals come neatly packaged in a compact, no-frills box. Inside, you'll find the two pedals wrapped in protective foam, along with a pair of SPD-SL compatible cleats, mounting hardware, and a basic instruction manual. First impressions? These pedals look sharp. The aluminum pedal body has a sleek, minimalist design, and the titanium spindle immediately stands out, lightweight, polished, and built for performance. Right out of the box, the build quality feels solid. The machining on the platform is clean. The bearings feel smooth, and everything looks ready to ride. Honestly, they look and feel a lot more premium than you'd expect at this price point. The core selling point here is the combination of anodized aluminum and a titanium spindle. Titanium is well known for being incredibly strong yet lightweight, and it's a material you typically see on much higher-end pedals. This design helps keep the overall weight, ultralight, coming in at around 270 grams per pair with hardware, which is pretty impressive for clipless road pedals in this price range. The platform is wide enough to offer good power transfer, and the surface includes anti-slip ridges to help maintain contact when you're clipping in. The cleat tension is also adjustable, so you can fine-tune the feel based on your riding style and experience level. Whether you're a casual road cyclist or a competitive rider, installing these pedals is quick and painless. Like most standard road pedals, they use a 15mm pedal wrench or hex key, and the threading is marked clearly for left and right sides. The included cleats are SPD-SL compatible, meaning they'll work with most road cycling shoes designed for 3-bolt systems. Once installed, clipping in and out feels secure but smooth, especially after adjusting the tension. Screws to match your preference. Out of the box, the release tension is set pretty light, which is great for beginners. But if you want a firmer connection, it's easy to tighten things up with a few turns of a hex wrench. Now let's talk about how these pedals actually ride. Once you're clipped in, the connection feels solid.